Missing your tax filing deadline can lead to unnecessary stress, penalties, and interest charges. No one wants that, especially when it comes to something as important as your hard-earned retirement savings. But if you're a retiree preparing for tax season, you might be wondering if you're doing everything right to protect your wealth. Whether you're already dealing with tax complexities or you just want to make sure you're ahead of the game, knowing how to handle your tax filing deadline is crucial. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to avoid common mistakes that could impact your savings. Now, before we dive into those important steps, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially as a retiree, click the first link in the description to get a free Gold IRA guide and consultation. Gold IRAs have become a popular choice for many retirees who want to safeguard their assets from the volatility of traditional investments. You'll get all the details you need to make an informed decision, so make sure to check it out. Back to taxes. One of the most common mistakes people make is missing the filing deadline. If you're filing your taxes on your own, it's easy to get caught up in the details and forget important dates. But you don't want to be stuck paying late fees or even dealing with penalties from the IRS. The most important thing is to file your tax return on time, and if you can't, you need to apply for an extension. But don't just assume you're covered if you apply for an extension. An extension gives you more time to file, but it doesn't give you more time to pay. You'll still need to estimate your taxes and pay that amount by the filing deadline. Otherwise, you'll face interest on the balance. If you're worried about paying taxes on your IRA or 401k distributions, here's where a Gold IRA comes into play. While traditional IRAs and 401ks are taxed when you withdraw money, Gold IRAs offer a unique way to potentially minimize those taxes. By investing in physical gold, you're diversifying your portfolio in a way that can offer long-term stability, especially when markets fluctuate. Now, if you're not quite sure where to start with taxes, it's helpful to know that tax laws change regularly, and retirement accounts like IRAs can have specific rules you need to follow. You might be able to lower your taxable income with tax-deferred accounts, or even reduce your required minimum distributions with proper planning. A Gold IRA can be a great tool for this, offering a hedge against inflation and market downturns, and allowing your wealth to grow with tax advantages. One thing you want to avoid when filing is procrastination. It's easy to think you'll have time to figure it out later, but waiting until the last minute to get everything together will only cause more stress. If you're a retiree with a significant amount saved, like $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, it's worth talking to a tax advisor who can help you understand your situation and the best way to file your taxes. Doing this early can save you a lot of headaches, and it's never too soon to start preparing. And as you're getting your taxes sorted, take a minute to think about your financial future. If you're not already considering a Gold IRA, it might be time to explore this as an option. It's the perfect way to protect your savings from inflation and market crashes, and it can give you peace of mind that your wealth is in good hands. As we wrap up, remember, tax season doesn't have to be a stressful time. Staying ahead of deadlines, making smart decisions about your retirement savings, and considering tax-efficient strategies like Gold IRAs can make a big difference in your financial future. If you have more than $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, take a look at that free guide in the description. It's tailored for American retirees like you who want to make sure their wealth is protected. Don't wait. Get the info you need today and take action. You've worked hard to build your savings, and with the right tax planning and smart decisions like adding a Gold IRA to your portfolio, you'll be set for a secure retirement.